Imagine a situation in which you intend to rent your secondary house to someone. Of course, you need a lease agreement. Instead of writing it yourself, you remember that you already have a ready contract draft. You just need to amend it or modify it to make it meet your current needs. Unfortunately, it's a PDF document. By the way, PDF stands for Portable Document Format. As you know, you can't change anything with Acrobat Reader without paying. Now, as a solution, you need to convert your file to Word. Then you'll be free to add, modify, or even delete whichever word or phrase you desire. Hi dear subscribers, today I'll be unveiling quickly two very easy methods to convert any PDF file to Word one. The first one, the Google Docs method. Open Google Docs, of course. Then click on this directory icon. Look at this popping help message asking you to select your file. You have here your Google Drive content. These are your own files which you have saved earlier with the Google company through cloud storage. If you find your file here, just use it directly. Otherwise, you'll have to import it. So, click on Import. You can either search for your file, click and drag it into this area, or you select the file to convert directly from its folder. Double-click, or click once and then open. Wait for some seconds. This waiting period depends on the file size, which is logical. Done. File imported now. While you were hovering over the document, you notice this menu popping. On the top, in the middle of your screen, click on Open With, then Google Docs. File, Download, Microsoft Word. Excellent. Converted file downloaded. Open it and change anything you would like. The second one, the Word method. This one seems to be the fastest, the easiest, and the most practical one at the same time. File, Open, or simply use the famous shortcut Ctrl+O. Choose the PDF file you would like to convert, click Open. Then you have this message saying that Microsoft Word is now converting your file, etc. Precaution: just after the converting process is over, please read the produced file very carefully. Why? The converting app may transcribe some words mistakenly, either because it fails to recognize them because the original file is illegible or it has a very low resolution. This way, you avoid getting any big surprise with spelling, for example, or expression. You may also face another little problem, though it's not a big one. The converting app may transfer some parts of the file into a text area. This zone doesn't have any borders, but it exists. So, when you hover over its virtual borders, you notice that you have a different cursor. This is all I wanted to share with you about this nice, easy and useful tip. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, activate notifications, like, comment and share as much as you can. Thanks in advance. You're watching FAGOUSSE channel. If you're interested in our content, please like and comment. You're welcome to subscribe. Please don't forget to activate the notification bell to be the first to get our coming videos.